Good morning, y'all. CM here. I wanted to get a video of this while the lighting was good. So this is something I finished up last night. This is something that's been in the works for a while. The background is I have a friend on Instagram who purchased secondhand a Strider SMF Tanto that I wave modded and did other work to, and about 4 years ago. And he'd been following me for the last few years, and he wanted to own my first Hidden Tang fixed blade build. So I bought some. I was fixing to build one when I obtained some old files, and I had skinned a file down and tapered the tang and all that shit, and fucking started making a brass guard and everything. And the project just a lot of things just weren't going right, and I figured, okay, well, I still want to build this knife now more than ever. So about maybe a month ago or 2 months ago, I was looking for cold steel stuff online on eBay. And I found a unground, unhardened Recon Scout blade blank from Camillus in Carbon V. And I also found some of these Trailmaster guards, which also fit the same blade. And so I've got 2 more of these Trailmaster guards left after doing up another Trailmaster last month, and that was the first time I've ever done a stag handle, a rehandle. So I thought, okay, maybe I'll just, I'm stuck on building this knife now, and I've got this fucking perfectly good Carbon V blade blank. So I surface ground it down, and then I peened the guard a little bit to fit the amount that I took off, because this guard is meant to fit a .300 or so thick blade. This is .280. So I pounded it flat, went back over the guard, cleaned it up, removed my hammer marks, and it fits very snug. I also put a choil right here, a sharpening choil into the grind. This wasn't there on the actual Recon Scout. I had to put that in. Gave it a nice swedge, a nice 3/4 grind, and I decided to leave the heat treat scale on, the oil and stuff from the Parks 50. I like it, kind of adds to the whole rugged look with the stag and all that shit. But this is 60 RC. After quenching it, I gave it a flash temper at 350 for an hour. Then put it in cryo, then 2 more tempers at 400. So it's got a 60 RC. Okay, so lengths here. Sharpened length on this bad boy is just 7 inches. To the guard, 7 3/4. Overall, I want to just guesstimate here, 13 and a half, maybe 13 and 3/8, something like that. Yes. Point of balance is right here in front of the guard, where the grind starts, right here. Yeah, that feels about right. So yeah, this is shaving sharp. Feels good in hand. The tang goes to about this far down in the handle. The rest is filled with marine grade epoxy, and I used a Dremel tool, what's it called? A Dremel bit. Mandrel or whatever, I forgot the right word for it. The shaft, yeah. For the tang pin. Just great in hand. Nasty chisel grind. I like it. And yeah. So this is going to be going out once I get get more tech locks in and make a kydex for it. But yeah, fucking awesome build. So there it is. Yep, the Charlie Mike Trailmaster. I mean, not Trailmaster, Recon Scout. CMRS. How about that? All right. As always, stay armed, stay alert, stay alive. Hua. God bless. Oh yeah, how much does it weigh? I don't know. I know it weighs more than a pound because it Z's out my scale. My scale only goes up to 16 ounces. So yeah. All right. Time to get back to other stuff. Right, kitties? Kitties. Yeah.